it's Sharice again, and today we're just going to run through a really quick recipe for making an awesome vegan plant-based cheese sauce. And the recipe can be used on pizzas, quesadillas, nachos. I mixed it and made it with my carrot hot dog that I made. Another video, you may have seen me put a cheese sauce on it. This is the recipe that was with that chili cheese hot dog that I made. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, hit the bell for notifications, and subscribe to our channel. 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. The nutritional yeast does give it a nice, somewhat cheesy flavor. Just since I've been eating this way, I found that either you like the taste of nutritional yeast or you don't. And initially it did take me a minute to get used to it, but I actually do enjoy tasting it as an alternative to eating regular cheese. Of course, nothing is going to replace the flavor of an actual cheese, but this does a good job with it. Smoked paprika, again, we just have paprika today, which is more than a pinch. I'm going to do an 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper just to give it a little bit of a kick. And I think since I don't have smoked paprika, I'm going to add just 1/4 teaspoon of smoked liquid smoke. Alright, so then you're just going to stir it up first. So you just turn it on low and you just mix it. Okay, so at this point it's starting to get thickened. You want to make sure that you keep stirring it up. It does ask that you would use a whisk. Could not find my whisk, so had to use the next best thing. I didn't want to use a fork. And I actually did turn it up to medium, so now you can see it's beginning to thicken up like a cheese sauce. You can also use this on macaroni and cheese as well for your macaroni and cheese sauce. Okay, so I'm going to turn this down. I'm going to add just a tad bit more milk. I don't want it to be too thick when I go to eat it.